People don't want to engage in a conversation with you.
What's the penal code?
Yeah, what's that?
What's the penal code for that?
Okay, do you have a copy of the warrant that was used to seize the phone?
Say that again?
Are you with the
No,
group?
we're all independent. We're all independent. We work independently.
What is this about?
We just out here talking to people. What we are doing is any vendors who want to talk to us, promote it. We put them on social media because all of them you can see right here are trying to promote their businesses. But some people don't like that we're even in here and here because it makes people talk to us, engage in communication. Yeah, just like you, right?
Yeah.
You can be upset or not. It doesn't matter. You know what I mean? It's your emotions. You have every right to be upset, right? Or not. Most people take selfies with us because they know who we are and what we do. Some people get upset.
So you're on social media?
Yeah, absolutely.
What do you,
So it's MySpace and AOL. You can find us there.
what is your...
Oh, we don't give it out during the day because some people try to get our videos taken down, but you can find me on MySpace.
How do I find you?
Look it up.
Area 51.
Yeah, look it up. You'll find me. Yeah. Okay, thank you for being nice today.
Okay.
See that? Thank you. I think one of the ladies here called. The gentleman over here might have called. They're just not happy we're interviewing people today.
What are you interviewing about?
Yeah, we're just about anything. Everything. First Amendment, baby. Just talking to people. Public area, public space, free to record. We actually already got a couple selfies. It's just two gentlemen are upset. That's all. Just gotta let them know we're good. Just like always. Wow. I'm glad you have emotions. Use them, buddy.
This guy's a cuck.
I know.
His girl cucks him in a dress.
Oh, Lord.
So, like, what are you...
We're just talking about anyone's talking about. Basically, as you know, you're an officer, so you enforce the law. Our First Amendment comes with the freedom of the press, which means anywhere public we can film.
I gotta check this.
Period. So that's all. We're out here talking to people, interviewing.
No, that's fine, but are you harassing people? That's what we're trying to get at.
Well, if they are. Hey, if they are and they come to us, we'll film them. No.
If someone don't want to...
Hey, you can make stuff up. No, that's fine. I don't know what he's standing here trying to talk to me. I don't even care.
I'm asking questions.
No, I'm letting you know if people don't want to engage in a conversation with you, that's harassment.
Oh, yeah? What's the penal code?
Yeah, what's that?
What's the penal code for that? For speech? What's the penal code for that?
For freedom of speech, what's that?
What's the penal code?
I already know you guys trying to go
What's the
No, we're not. No, we're just making sure you are doing your job correctly too. So don't say things that no other officer has said today. Hey. No, we're not. We're already viral. Check it out. All the other officers today, including the sergeants, have come and given us a blessing. So why are you acting like we're harassing people? Yeah, sure. You don't know what you're talking about. Name and badge number.
George 4269.
Good, George. You're gonna get this to your white coat, and you're gonna get a lesson on First Amendment auditing, buddy. No one's harassing anyone. They can come and talk to us all.
Can an officer turn unwanted conversation into harassment simply because someone refuses to speaking? Under the First Amendment, Ninth Circuit precedent recognizes protection for recording matters of public interest, while California Penal Code Section 148G makes clear that recording an officer in a public place by itself is not obstruction. But that protection is not unlimited. True threats, stalking, physical interference, or lawful time, place, manner restrictions can change the analysis. From the officer's side, asking whether complaints describe unlawful conduct is legitimate, but harassment still requires facts supporting an actual legal violation.
Okay, so the DA is in control of this?
Yes, as far as the evidence, the phone is in evidence.
Okay, the phone is in evidence. Where is evidence at? Here at Sheriff's Office. Okay, do you have a copy of the warrant that was used to seize the phone?
We don't have a warrant that for the phone at the time he was arrested. It was then placed into evidence.
Do you have a copy of the warrant that was used to seize it? You know, according to federal law and state law, that he has 2 hours to secure a warrant after he's taken the property without a warrant. And if he hasn't, then it must be returned. Otherwise, you've got a 4th and 14th Amendment violation, and it's cause for action under Title 42, Section 1983, for all parties who chose to keep the property without lawful authority. So is there somebody in specific you'd like us to talk to?
You guys need to turn off your phone and cameras now.
I'm not turning it off, I'm going outside. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm outside the building, ma'am.
No need to raise your voice, ma'am. Quit raising your voice, ma'am. We're here on official business.
Who would you suggest? We don't want to.
Wouldn't surprise me if they send people out here and arrest all of us.
There's no phones in here.
You don't have a warrant, so no warrant was issued. Okay. All right. Who accepts service for the sheriff's department for federal lawsuits?
No, you're fine.
Yes. Okay. The sheriff himself, or it would have to be the
We
sheriff.
need to link up with the DA because if they don't have a warrant, they can't hold the phone.
No, I know. That's we're gonna go. She's in court.
The sheriff's in court and the DA's in court, yeah.
Then I guess
Okay.
we can wait.
How long are they in court? Just without offending anybody. How do you know how long the DA? Well, you don't know anything about court. You're just handling the sheriff. Okay, ma'am. Can I get your name? You're just dispatching. Your name is? Okay, and you have an employee number? Okay. And you regularly work Monday through Friday? Okay. Ma'am, thank you very much and have a nice day. Okay. We'll have it drafted up today and we'll get it filed.
We need to get that cell phone back. They just said they
Okay.
didn't have a warrant. There's no warrant for the phone. How do they have the phone? So we don't know if they're jumping.
We were. No, I say outside the door.
Can we go back up there and wait for them to get
You said the corner room if you want.
I would love to talk to the DA on it. If they don't have a warrant, they need to get
Yeah, they had a lot of that blocked off where you could only deal with the window of dispatch. Looking at the spring now. So, he has to go back to court in 30 days. Total bullshit. Total bullshit.
Yep.
This is why the people don't trust.
Are you going to go back in?
Yeah.
We're gonna go around the other side. We're just gonna find out how long court's in session.
Well, we're going to see if we can't get the phone back, but we're going to let this man do the talking because
Yeah.
he's a professional.
Yeah.
Oh, professional gets paid.
What a nice
We're going to
guy.
try to get the phone back. The DA.
He started looking
Everybody's
at
in
titles
court
and
at the
I'm like, holy crap,
Yeah, yeah.
where has he been the whole life?
We were in court. The judge had a different
You know
demeanor
who he is?
with.
I don't know who this guy is.
Yeah, he did
I'm
with
guessing.
the others.
He probably does.
Yeah.
I think he knows there's a law hinging on this, and it's a very public, and he's in the limelight as well. Does that seem like y'all's idea that the judge was totally
Here's
different?
his back. Here's
Yeah.
his corner, basically. Tell him,
Basically.
get your defense because you're probably going to win.
Yeah, basically told him keep things together and do it right,
Yep.
so you can win.
Sounded like he was in his corner the whole time. He was afraid of that. Absolutely.
Which, if the judge does everything right, he has nothing to be scared of.
True. He can't be sued anyway, can he?
If he does wrong, he can be sued if he does wrong, but if he doesn't, if he does right, he's good.
Not having a hell of a word. He'll be sued. Just told it one time. Was you here you was here the last time you said? Did you see all
Yeah.
the troopers?
Yeah, that was crazy. They
The same thing, did
they
they?
kind of overdid it that day. Like they didn't need an army here for like few people. Pretty crazy. I don't know what exactly they're doing in here, but
They're being security guards.
I guess we can go in and get security in. Let me set this over there again.
Yeah, please, if you would.
Thank you. I have no idea what floor they just went to. I don't know where they just went. Are there stairs too? Oh yeah.
You'll fly back and check my mailbox and put the paper.
That's the little bit of it.
You, Gary?
Yeah.
Okay, just for y'all to fill out.
Thank you. Yeah, let me know what we need to do. That's cool. They're ready and willing. I mean, they still have their hair sale.
Probably there's, I think, only 3 floors here, maybe. I think.
I said there's 2, so.
Oh, okay. It might only be 2.
We're the rich people. Because they take all the money.
Absolutely.
We didn't go anywhere. What happened?
There was a lot more of us last time, so no, they didn't break it. There we go.
Where they go?
Fred? I got his number. I'll get to you here in a little while. So something sketchy is going on, guys. We have these guys in the suits. They're not. Tim's supposed to figure out who they are. Where's he at?
He said hold up. He was outside. Or
We're
something.
trying to figure out who they're with. Fred, there's something weird going on. There's some guys here, state police or FBI or state level agencies like the OSBI.
What's that?
OSBI is like FBI with state level.
I don't think that's who they are. You mean the guys that just walked past us?
Yeah, those. I think that's.
They're from Guyman. I know who they are.
They just left.
The guy, the young guy in the black suit, skinny, kind of skinny.
Do they have a case going on in there?
I don't know, but it seemed like he was.
If they're all entered into the court.
I don't know what he's wearing.
I don't know. They went ahead and left.
Yeah, I think they walked out.
They walked out and left.
Yeah.
And maybe with.
Do you figure out who he is?
No. He won't go. He left.
We've got a some property, so I was just gonna talk to her briefly or.
Okay, property might be a civil matter, or are you talking
no,
about property and?
Yeah, seized property.
Yeah, well, we went over to the sheriff's office to get back some property, and they advised us that there is no warrant, so that's why we were needing to speak with the DA so that they can release it. There's got to be a warrant for them to seize property, and since there isn't a warrant,
They've only got 2 hours after the seizure of property.
You're talking the wrong person because I'm not.
Anyway,
a lawyer.
can I get a card from her?
They said the DA said to hold it. This reason why they come.
yeah, but there's no warrant to hold it, so that's why.
Well, she's not the one making the
Yeah,
decision.
I just don't have any. I mean, you can come back here. I don't have.
We'll come back. We'll come back. Do you know when she'll be out of court?
I don't know.
Pardon my own hands. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye. We're gonna have to do it in writing, so I'll draft something up, and I'll have some case law to support it. And if she chooses beyond that to continue to hold it, it's at her own peril.
Oh man, I just want. Yeah,
Sometimes, it took me a week and a half to get this abducted child back to us.
Jeez.
Tell you what happened is the sheriff's office.
Let's go over to Sheriff Patrick's phone. Sit down.
And basically, they don't have a warrant to hold his phone. If they don't have a warrant, they should release it. So that's what's going on here. But they're all in court right now, and we may have to wait till they get out of court to deal with
Did
it.
they say anything to you in the court office?
Oh, no. I was just trying to find out when court ended, and they said, we got 10 defendants, it's 10 o'clock, blah, blah, blah. And I'm telling you, the way they treated these other guys, I'd be filing a complaint with the judicial review board.
I saw you shaking your head, Fred. I saw you shaking your head.
God,
Fred is disappointed. Wait, so where are we going to?
Dylan, appreciate you guys. Be safe. Y'all have a good day. Be well.
You too, buddy.
Appreciate you. Hope you have a great Happy New Year.
Releases.
You bet.
Everyone back to the restaurant.
All right.
Everybody back where?
The restaurant they were at earlier. All right. What the hell? I don't know where the hell I parked. I'm on the other side.
I think I am too.
Yeah.
Protect your rights, and we're gonna do this for you, and you know I'll make sure. He said, and he says, well, how would you like to please? And Patrick did well. He said, I just got my papers today, my information, which is a complaint in most states. And he says, I'd like to review this with counsel. And he said, I just need 24 hours. And the judge said, well, how about 30 days? That'd be enough time for you. You come back on February 13th, and we'll go ahead and go from there, because we want to make sure that you are given every opportunity to address this, because we know your rights are involved, and I think he knows that it's constitutionally protected conduct to be video recording in public or photographing in public in a public place, and that the officer overstepped his bounds. So I think what they're doing is giving us an opportunity to file at least a judicial notice or an immediate motion to dismiss, which we will have done. So that's what happened.
Awesome.
Kudos to Patrick. You did awesome, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
700-mile drive was worth it. Oh yeah, yeah. But anyway, Patrick, you did a great job. And the nice thing is even when Patrick was going through the unlawful arrest, he was still respectful to the officer, and it's the officer who actually lost his composure, and now he's going to pay a price for it because there's a federal action. So once this thing, we should, I think what we'll do is get everything done to have this thing dismissed early. For those of you, I don't know if we're on video or what we're doing here, but
We're live.
we're live.
People are watching and they're commenting back. They're asking who you are.
How many people do you have live?
I
You
have
may get some
500,
work out.
500? How many?
Hey,
500 people watching me. If you want to say your name, who you are, what you do.
Okay, my name's Fred, and what I've done is I've been assisting people with legal actions, anything civil or criminal, for the last 10, 11 years. And I do this just kind of to help people. And we've won over 11,000 cases, and we haven't really lost anything yet. And what we do is we help people all the way from simple things.
What actually separates a constitutional audit from unlawful interference? In Video 1, the First Amendment generally protects speech and recording in public, while California law also recognizes that merely recording police in a public area is not obstruction. Protection can change with threats, physical interference, stalking, or lawful restrictions. Officer, C+, citizen, B. In Video 2, the stronger issue is the Fourth Amendment. Police generally need lawful justification to seize property, and Riley v. California ordinarily requires a warrant before searching digital contents of a phone, subject to recognized exceptions. But there is no general federal 2-hour warrant rule. Government side, C+, citizen side, B-. The warrant question is legitimate. Several legal claims made on camera are substantially broader than the law supports.